In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create ads using ChatGPT, and we'll get this done in only 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, this guide will help you harness AI tools to formulate engaging advertisements quickly and efficiently. First, let's dive right into ChatGPT. Open up the platform, and if you're not already familiar, you're going to find that it's an incredibly powerful tool for generating creative content. With ChatGPT, you can unlock a world of creative opportunities. So let's make that work in favor of your advertising endeavors. Once you've accessed ChatGPT, the next thing we're going to do is start a new chat. This step is essential because a fresh conversation provides a clean slate where your ad creation process can unfold seamlessly without any earlier distractions. Now that you're all set up, it's crucial to establish your creative foundation. This means giving ChatGPT some context about your advertising needs. For example, you'll want to specify the product or service you're promoting, your target audience, and any particular style or tone you aim to convey through your ads. This foundational information will help guide the AI in generating content that aligns perfectly with your vision and objectives. With your creative foundation laid out, you'll want to ask ChatGPT to generate imagery for your ad in a style that resonates with your brand, whether it's something modern, minimalistic, vibrant, or classic. Allowing the AI to understand your desired aesthetic will help it to produce imagery that catches the viewer's attention and complements the narrative you wish to portray. Now let's shift our focus onto matching emotion with precision. In this step, you'll guide ChatGPT to connect the emotional essence of the image with the message you're conveying. This might involve crafting a compelling storyline or a punchy caption that evokes the intended emotional response from your audience. A well-aligned image and message can significantly enhance the effectiveness of your ad, making it both striking and meaningful. Next, ask ChatGPT to tailor the ad for the specific platforms you plan to use. Whether your ads are destined for social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, or perhaps an entirely different medium, it's important the ad content adheres to the format and style native to each platform. Specify any considerations like character limits, format dimensions, or platform policies. ChatGPT should keep in mind while customizing each version of your ad. Lastly, once you have a cohesive ad that meets all your objectives, be sure to save your work. Storing your ads ensures you have easy access for reviewing this project or revisiting your creative materials for future campaign iterations. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you can transform your vision into compelling advertisements using ChatGPT. With these tips, you're all set to create engaging and effective ad content that captures your audience's attention in no time.